What's up, everybody? The next complex is going to be the Spicy Deluxe, created by CK's own Kellie Rongo. And so it's curl casts in a 360, and I'll go through it a couple times on like the left side, and then I'll do either a pendulum or a 10 to 2 to run it to the other side. But it's a nice, simple, juicy one. Good arm workout. We'll get started here. Up in quarter position. So you're going to curl, and then you're going to toss another curl, and then over. Same shoulder. Do the same thing again. We'll do 3 times. Now I'll 10 to 2 it.